Hey, Tluangtei graduation tour. Kan kaldona hi athanu thar bai. Hey, soya le tei. Hey, no no iten ki. Feel an sikol kan thlenga ki feel an lo thup to zo kan ni. Hala hi ticket an lo ang wa. An sikol hi Highland High School ania Greenwood Indiana State omania hey lelam mi puyan lo thu khat vek to a nilum kan idol ani hi bo in ni chu asatha khop mai hen lo thu thap to.
Students, congratulations on being here this morning. I wish you well in your future endeavors, and remember that you should always be proud that you are a warrior. As we begin our program this morning, please allow me to introduce.
Good morning, class, teachers, families, and friends. My name is Grace Scudder, and today I have the honor of representing the class of 2020.
High school choir and school high choir again. Tluangtei cha ro hoi mi ala.
Austin Brown.
High school graduates when he comes one for there.
Graduates of row 12. Jordan Michael Spencer. Connor Leviticus Sprague. Daniel Obadiah Sprague. Brady Michael Staniford.
Tluangtei tetlar aron aumyang.
Jaden Lynette Staten. Austin Thomas Steele. Katie Deborah Stoddard. Tyler Nolan Stringer. Taylor Christian Stroll. Aldrich James Stroud. Krista M. Stuck. Avery J. Servants. Colin Michael Tallman. Jasmine Arcelia Telez. Celindia Renee Thomason. Renee Lynn Thompson. Vincent Richard Tanoka. Lei Tan Twangi. Robert Turner. Sarah Elizabeth Ulrich. Adrian Jacob Unger. Wendy Deliz Varela Vargas. Riley Ellen Vermillion. Lindsay Denbo. Alexandria Mercedes Walker. Bradley Michael Wallen. Malia Sue Ward. Tyler James Elijah Warren. Kinley Alexis Watson. Sebastian Maddox Wild. Please join me in congratulating the graduates of row 13. Colin Robert Lee Welch. Abigail Erin Wiggum. Aubrey Marie Williams. Lucas Dane Williams. Michaelin Marie Williamson. Austin David Willoughby. Elena Wilson. Davion Patterson. Haley Grace Wilson. Donovan Joseph Woodall. Leah Corinne.
As your senior class vice president, I am honored to lead the senior class of 2023 in the changing of the tassel. This is a very big moment in our lives. We've been working for this for the past 12 years. I know all of us up here are very proud to represent you. I would like to congratulate everyone for their hard work and thank the people that allowed us the opportunity to make it this far. To our families, administration, teachers, bus drivers, school resource officers, janitorial staff, cafeteria staff, and everyone else that has helped us along the way, rise. Seniors, please place your right hand on your tassel. Students, graduates. Congratulations, graduates. You may be seated. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Patrick Sprague, Superintendent of the Clark Pleasant Community Schools.
Pleasant Community School Corporation staff and Board of Trustees, we congratulate you on your graduation. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 2023 graduates of Whiteland Community High School.
Khơi trăng nghe lên lâu chờ đâu na. Hay hết tin đột tin đi hay là trăng nha. Thì long sẽ hết long trăng lúc cái về đó lâu mi lệ.
Tôi làm ăn cái đó này.
Cái đu na hay chứ đột tết tết này to lo. Không nghe Tluangtei không. Hay là mà lúc đó lâu mi lệ cái na làm sao xí. Ai điều bằng par hay kinh rồi nè. Hắn bằng par hay kinh rồi. Xem papa. Bây giờ ông đang đây phải học đẹp người khác kinh rồi. Hay là mà hiện anh chọn xe. Có xem nhà là anh quên để tôi nghe thêm tâm tắc hình cao xí rồi.
Roll follower, buddy. I gotta see.
Hey, ở trong tay rắn chờ. Hey, thàกันละเวดอนจันนี่ฮีรันชอบตัวทัดนู่นละฮีเราต่อรถตัวก็ทำนักสรุปตัวก็นี่จะเส้นแหละทากันละลบดอนเฮ้ยอันไอปัวระกันโอมโบนะช่วยแหละเอ็มเบลีจนเราเอ็นนั่นแหละดิลัลเบรนี่เฮเขามาเตะเราแกงแต่แล้วก็ต่อรู้เลยเราเรียนนี่ กันหัวตอน